London open. So in case if you're waiting for me to go around 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock is going to be the price action right here. So it's not good. But at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, the price action was here. This is perfect for me because the price is traveling very high, big spike. So it's very good short right here. So this is exactly what's happened when I took the $477 and $90. The price action was big here. Like, you can see it travel from the blue line to white zone. So I took it and I closed it. I'm still waiting right now for price action. So this is in case if you know why I took this trade early. What about the long? Let me check very quick where we are on the order board. The problem is I don't want to take a long because we have right here. If I go long here, this line is gonna maybe stop me. Okay, the next line will be down. So that's why, and let me check the down line. The one is down. It's 54. So 54, it's right here. You can see, maybe good idea to short here and your target will be here. That's why I don't want to take this long. And if I go long here, I have to put stop loss under here, which is too big. For target is too small. So, and you can see this line has been holding very good so far. So maybe next spike, maybe we go short. Now please use money management because sometime the price is gonna kick this line and the next line will be here. So I'll maybe add an upper. So please use money management. Don't go all in at this line. So because maybe I add 2 times or 2 later. The next time 1864. So we have 1864. So the next line will be here. So if we break this line, we can go to this line very easy. So let's watch. Oh no. This is white, so we can see the candle. Is this better for you guys, or you need the black line like the price action? Do you need to see where is the price? Because I don't want to get it confused with this line, the black line. So is this good? Let me know whatever is work for you. All good now? Okay. So if I go long here, this line is gonna be about 10 pips, which is no good. So it's very important to get in a trade in good location. So I know you want to make a trade now, but what I'm looking, good location, good stop loss, and good target. Like I don't mind to wait and wait until I see good risk reward trade. I'm not jumping in because it's 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock London time. Now, in meantime, this is very key here. Because if you look what's happening yesterday, you see this 2 line is very, very important. Like the market has been trading all day between those lines. 3 line here. Now, let me tell you why I'm adding sometimes. Let's say the worst scenario, I short at the bottom, okay? This is the worst case. After the market selling off, I decided to short right here, okay? Now, even if I'm wrong, this is the worst thing I can do, to short after a drop. So let's say the market rally against me, I will maybe add one more right here. And if the price start to go higher, I will sell 2 here. So when the price come down, this 2 here will make money. This will break even. This one here will be losing. So I'm ending with profit. Even if I'm wrong, even if I went in bad location here, I still get out very safe with profit, even if I'm wrong. So this is what I'm trying to, like right here, you can go long or short, it doesn't matter. Because if the price spike high, you will add one more. When he come back, you will cover. So it's very tricky. You can go long and short, and you wait for big targets. So it looks like it's a good short. Now our first target here, second target here, and the last target here. The black line, this is where is the bank order right here. They have order right here, and the option, like option expiration also. So let's watch this here, and I'll grab another chart for dollar yen, because the dollar yen will be easy. Like dollar yen, we have 114 So every day, it's two kind of option. This mean what is no touch option, and if the price stay under 14.25 today, the bank will get $1 billion. As long the market never touch this line from now until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. This option will be cheaper. Now, another option, he say, by 10 o'clock tomorrow, the price will never close above 14.25. In this case, the option will be very expensive. And if the price start trading about 14.25, the bank lost $1 billion. So let me show you the screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And let's watch also the gold trade. So for example, this is the option. For dollar yen. This is dollar yen. Today is Friday. $1.5 billion. So we need to watch 1400 today for $1.5 billion. 1400, it's right here. Now, so we trading above this line right now. So if the price started dropping, and by 10 o'clock in the morning, like after 10 o'clock in the morning will be another 8 hours. After 8 hours, if the price stay above this line, the bank will cash. He's gonna win $1.5 billion. So he's watching now. Every time the price try to drop to 114, he's gonna push it up. He's gonna push it up. Okay. He usually defend this line about 10 pip, 20 pip. He don't want to wait until last minute and he's gonna start to defend this line. So he usually defend this line early. Like you see, he usually defend it early. So as long as the market is trading above this line, he will cash $1.5 billion. Now, let's say this is Goldman. He have a trade for $1.5 billion. But maybe Morgan Stanley or Citibank, he wanna make sure the price under 114. In this case, the first bank, he will lose money, but the other bank, they will make money. In this case, this bank here, when he sees the prices, he cannot hold the price, and the price started trading under this line. If he have $1.5 billion, he maybe go short $3 billion. So he want to catch up with his trade for first trade. Like yesterday, 2 days ago, it happened. The bank have it for 113, like you see, 113.05. It was here, 113.10, and he have 13.05. So 2 days ago, he have $1 billion around here. He's been holding for last 24 hours, which is okay. But in London time, the price started spike above 113. At this point, the bank, he will lose money because he wanna make sure the price action under this two line, but the price action went above it. So what happened, if he short $1 billion or he lost $1 billion, he's gonna go with $3 billion. And if he have long $3 billion, he make a lot of money against the one he lost was $1 billion. Okay. So maybe somebody is gonna say, oh, maybe you're making this up, $1 billion. Well, we pay for subscription. I'm not making this up. If you don't believe me, here, the option here, you see, it's 1385. Today is $7.7 billion. Like today is here, you see. He say, this is the Japanese exporter. They selling today around 114.15. So where is the price? 114.15. It's right here. So this is what we watching right now. Forget about the old one, so you don't get confused. So they have Japanese exporter. They have offer around 114.15. So you can see we trading exactly about 114.15. 14.15, it's right here. 15 here. You see, they defending this line today. So if the prices stay above 114.15, how much is they gonna make? They're gonna make like $7.7 billion. But the price have to stay above this price. And that's why you can see when the price started dropping very quickly, now if he have option no touch, he lost the $7 billion. But if he have until 10 o'clock tomorrow, because the price touch here 14.15, like I said, we have two options. No touch, this means the price must no touch this line in next 24 hours. If he touch, the bank lost. But I guess what he have here, the price have to stay above 114. So if the price stay in next 8 hours above here, he will cash out $0.7 billion today between. Now, they have another option about 1385. 1385 is right here. Because usually the bank is not putting his money in one line. He usually have one option here, he have another option here, he have another option here, like what we do in the gold. You know, I have one position here, one position here. The bank is doing the same thing. He don't want to put one of $7.7 billion just right here. Like this line here has been holding so far. So the bank also, he trades the same way I'm trading. Like if I want to short right here, I'll maybe have another position here. Okay, in case if the market go higher. So he's doing the same thing to hedge himself. Okay, so now if you trade it, if you're not interested in dollar yen, we have option all over, so I can post this on the chat room so you can see it. So if you're trading euro dollar, let me explain how you read this. This is euro dollar, okay? So if you are interested in trading euro dollar, this is what you look for, euro dollar. This is the line for euro dollar. This is last Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. Let's say somebody don't like euro dollar, he like to trade dollar yen. So this is the dollar yen, okay? And you have the option last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If somebody interested to trade the British pound, it's here. And he tell you exactly it's a billion or million, okay? Like here is $2 billion, $1 billion. Here is 550 million euro. So you need to understand billion always big. This line maybe big chance will hold. 500 million, 600 million, 900 million, it's okay. He can hold. But when you see billion, it's big money. Of course, this is like a very important level because this is Asian Central Bank or ECB. When somebody trade $1 billion in one trade, he must have 100 billion. You know what I mean? He don't have just 2 billion and he's gonna put his money in 1 billion. He's risking 1%. And these people, it's usually central bank. You know, they have a lot of power to hold the price. So dollar franc, we don't have any option. Dollar CAD, here is the option for dollar, Australian dollar, and New Zealand and today. Like New Zealand and 67.80. Let's check 67.80 New Zealand dollar. I'm going too fast? Do you guys understand, or you want me to go slowly? I can explain it a different way. I know this is nobody talk about this stuff. You maybe hear about this stuff first time, so but it's very powerful. So 67.80, 67.80. 67.80, it's right here. This is too far. 67.80, it's too far. $67.80, it's right here. As long as the price stay above this line, the bank, he will cash 723 million. If the price started trading under this line, he will lose this money. Okay, this is the situation. Now look what happened. $14.15. Now, sometime the bank, the price action maybe drop right now in next hour or two, but by 10 o'clock in the morning, if the price like 9:55, if the price started trading above this line, the bank will win. So it doesn't matter if the price can drop to this line or this line, but by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, where is the price? It's going to be above 114.15 or under 114.15. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong if the price drop little bit and he come back above 114. The bank is still okay. but by 10 o'clock in the morning, the last candle at 10 o'clock, they need to watch where is the price, above this line or under this line. Okay, so let me see if I have any another question. Yeah, even banks, they don't know. Some people in the bank, they don't know about this. Like I was in Bloomberg TV. They asked me why I canceled the subscription with them. It's like $1,600 a month. They said, "Can you come and talk with us? Why did you cancel the subscription?" I said, "You don't have this information." So when I went over there, I met with a girl and I said, "You don't have option, the central bank option." She said, "What do you mean central bank option?" And I was talking to her on the elevator and we're going upstairs. It looks like somebody hear us when we going upstairs. He think the lady messed up or she didn't know anything. So they call her on the phone and she said, "You know what? We're gonna bring a guy, experienced guy for options, since this girl, she don't know how to handle the situation." So she said, "Have a seat and we will get you a guy. His experience, he used to trade on the floor and he's a specialist on the option." I said, "Okay." So the guy came. He's been trading on the floor 25 years. And I said, "You guys don't have the option, like central bank option and the big boys option." He said, "What do you mean? Can you show me screenshot?" I show him the screenshot, something like that. He said, "Wow, I don't know that. I don't know this information. Where do you get this from?" I said, "You charging me like $1,700 every year, and you don't have this information. I get it from somebody else." So, and he have a lot of information also. Like I told him, like the one we trade, like JP Morgan. Did you guys see JP Morgan trade? And I told him, "Look, this is Morgan Stanley here. Did you see his trade? He's making 99 baht. Which bank he's long or short in EuroCAD? You don't have this information, but I have somebody else, he has the information." So he said, "Oh, can you give me this information so we can talk to the people and we can add it to the terminal?" I said, "Yeah." So for EuroCAD, Morgan Stanley, his client, usually Morgan Stanley, he send a subscription to his people, like somebody have $1 million, $2 million. So they have to give him some research. Otherwise, those people, they're gonna take the money and they're gonna go to Citibank. If the Citibank doesn't offer any service, they're gonna take the money and they're gonna go to Sweden Bank. You know what I mean? So the bank, he's doing research for his client. And this Morgan Stanley, he did a trade yesterday. He did EuroCAD sell. Okay, and he made like 99 pips. The same thing also with Sweden Bank. Like OCCAD also, we have like $32. This is Goldman Sachs for his client. Like nobody can get this information. What is the Goldman Sachs recommending for his client? We know exactly where is this guy, he went long, why he went short, and why. Because he said he's bullish on oil forecast and maybe get $19 in 3 months. So if you're reading between the line right now, you get two couple information from this. He's doing OCCAT short, and also his forecast for oil is $90 in next 3 months. So you need to learn between the line. Like the Oilers right now is $80, correct? He's forecasting in next 3 months will be $90. And by the way, if you don't know Goldman Sachs, when the price of oil was around here in September, he said we're going to 80. And look what happened. We are at 80 right now. So this guy, he know Goldman Sachs. If you never heard about him, he's expecting the oil going to 90. Now, if you are a surgeon or a pilot, you cannot watch the screen all day. You cannot watch us every 5 minutes, every trade. What you can do, you can just go long at 80 and you sell at 90 because the price is going to go higher in next 3 months according to Goldman Sachs. So we will have this information for you every single day. Every single day I have information for you. So when I post it on the chat, please read, he's long or short, what is his target, where is his stop, is he's making money or he's losing money, and why he went this trade, why he took this trade. This is how you read, this is how you educate yourself in case if I'm not here. So you know how to trade. I don't have to tell you, oh, he's looking for 90 after that. So next time, if I see the price of oil drop to 70, I maybe buy. Okay? Because every dip, it's a buy. Every dip, it's a buy. Like when he recommending the price action for the oil will be 80 in next couple months. So every drop, it's a buy. Every drop, it's a buy until we reach 80. He's saying now it's 90 in next 3 months until January. So every drop, like this is a drop, this is maybe a good buy here. Actually, I'll maybe take one now. One position right here, and I will add another one here, and I'll add another one here, okay? So I'm just telling you, you take this information, then you put it on a trade. So this was Goldman. We have another trade also, the British pound also. It's yesterday. Oh yeah, this was good trade. Now, I usually watch what is Goldman, JP Morgan, Citibank, but yesterday I saw this bank, Norda. I never heard about this bank before, so I went to Google it to find out who's this guy, where is his location. I found, let me show you, in Google, if you search this name, he's been in business for 200 years, and his headquarters in Sweden and Finland. I said, okay, let's watch it. And I told you yesterday, He's shorting the British pound. He shorted the British pound right here, in this area. Okay, and when the market drop in next 8-10 hours, he cover right here. So I said, okay. And yesterday, what did I say? I guess he will cover here and he will wait for rally, and he maybe will go short somewhere here or here again, you know. So I said, okay, this guy, I never heard about him, so let's watch it. I was watching the trade. He made 33. We decided to enter short because Bank of England is not clear about the Brexit and everything. You see, this bank, if you Google this, if you need more information about this bank, so he went short and he closed the trade with 133 pip. So it's a lot of good information you need to learn, because a lot of people, oh, it's a candle is going up, it's candle is going down. But if you want to trade like the bank, these people very educated. These people making like $5 million, $10 million. So we trade like them, okay? Did anybody have any question? So this is the 3 trade so far. So every day we will have a lot of information for you so you can read between the line. If you don't understand anything, okay, so I will post everything on the chat room for the record. Because after a couple months, you will see what I'm talking about. This is from the Sweden bank, and this is from Goldman Sachs. Okay, so you need to make a note, small stuff like that, especially long term. Like, let me show you it's very important. Maybe I have to go with SBLX. SBX long. Okay. This one, it was $22. It went to $22. Now it's 134. So if you have 22,000, now it's worth 134,000. We said this a year ago. SBLX. If you're trading the US market, also RH. RH. It was 175. We said a year ago, RH 175. Okay. Now let's see the price. How much now? Somebody can guess? From 175. It was 175 a year ago. It's right here. Today is 600. So if you have 175,000, now is worth $500,000 profit in just 1 year. So what I'm trying to say, in this chat room, you will learn a lot of value stuff. If you just trading candlestick, moving average, price action, elite wave, you will not make good money. You need to trade like the big bank. You need to understand what is this people saying. Okay, so we have some stuff. If you trading US stock market, we have some stuff in US session. If you trading Forex, okay, you see the bank was right from the Sweden. He got it here perfect. So he went short. He covered right here. He let the market rally. I don't know. I need to see if did he went short, but I understand from my experience for last 30 years, I know how this bank they thinking, you know. So I was expecting when he's gonna cover here after a drop 133 pip, he's gonna let the market rally for maybe 30 pip or 50 pip, then he will short and he enjoyed his target like 600 pip. So his target, if you look at the screen, his target is 127.50. So he's talking about is not 133, is not 132. His target 127.50. His target is right here. $127.50. Now, if I get this information, how I trade it? If the market rally, I'll maybe sell. Market rally, maybe sell. And after a month or 2 or 3 months, this is his target right here. It's about 600 pips. Okay. Did anybody have any question about all this information? If you not understand what I'm saying, it's okay. It's no problem. But every day you will get better. You will get better. Like when I hear about this information first time, I didn't understand it very good, but I watch it and I see what is the price action, and you can see the benefit later after a month or 2. Okay, so let's watch what's happening in gold. Like you see, I have my line from yesterday. It's very powerful. And I guess we're going to hear. Even if you don't make a trade today, but at least you learn how I'm thinking, because I'm maybe not repeating this information every single day. So if you just watching, you're not making any money today, it's okay. But this is to understand how I trade. What's my mind? How I think when I take a trade. Is this a good location? Is not a bad location? How much I will make? How much my stop loss? How much my target? Like JH, he said, why you don't take a long here? You know now why I didn't take long here in this area when the price dropped little bit, because I have a target 10 pips and I have to put stop loss and maybe it's a good sell. It's better to go short right here and your target here and your stop loss little bit, or you can add another position. All right. So did I post OCCAD for you guys on the chat? I don't think, did I post OC? Anyway, let me post OCCAD trade. Yeah, when we said it's 90 bar, okay. Now, EuroCAD also, let me post it on the chat on YouTube so people can see it. Okay. Are we still live, JH, or are we on the... Because I post 3 screenshot. Good. So and here is the option also. Let me post it. So the big screen. So we have the option and everything, and also this screenshot. Because maybe some people, they say, oh, he's making this number 1 billion, 2 billion. So you can see now EuroCAD also, it's here. EuroCAD, you can and Morgan Stanley EuroCAD 99 pips also. Now if I see anything coming in next 5-10 minutes, I will post it for you on the chat room. But this is so far for last couple days. You can review it on the weekend. I guess this is everything we said for last couple days. All right, and okay, so we always will be live on YouTube in London hour. I will give you all the information day by day, minute by minute, and if you have any question, please let me know. All right. If you guys have any question, let me know. Do you want me posted on the chat room also, GH? Or just YouTube? I can post the same stuff here also. If you want me to post on the chat, I can do it here also. Okay. So I'll post the same thing also, so you have copy. Okay. Yeah, I know people, they have to go to work, they go back and forth, and okay, so I'll post everything here. So here you go. Yeah, it's good. Let me see if I maybe take it with you. I took it on, I took short. It's not, like you can see, is little bit, you want long right here, 855. This is very good price. Yeah. So this way, maybe your target here or here. This is good. So I post all the screenshot on YouTube and on the chat, so you can study. In the weekend, everything. Okay, perfect. So you went long around 156. Should be with the best price 155 right here. When the price touch, if you wanna go long in this area. Anyway, now good. So if somebody see the oil price went down, like we have a big candle to 76, more because we know we're going to 90 in next 3 months. Right now we're 80, so maybe we can buy 80, we sell 90. I know nobody wanna wait for 3 months to make $10, but you can trade it in and out every day. We know the direction is higher in next 3 months, so every drop you can trade it every day. The market drop, you buy it and you sell it. You keep buying and sell it, buying and sell it. You will make more than 10 in next 2 days. Yeah, so boom. There you go. Good trade, GH. You see, when you learn the stuff, you can do it by yourself. You don't need me. I don't have to call the trade because you learn now and you can take the trade by yourself. This is our goal. Everybody can take the trade by himself. You don't wait for me to give you, oh, buy here, sell here. I'm teaching you the stuff. Exactly. Yeah. Did you get out or is still long? Oh man. I was long, but I didn't get out. The market came very quickly. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good day. Now the chat room will be open and is open 24 hours. So, and I'm around all the day. So I'm always around. If you guys need any question or anything, let me know. Take care, guys.